guys, welcome to another one. We're doing a how far can I shoot from? 3 attempts. So if I miss all 3 in one go, I'm out. But if I miss 2 and then make it on the last one, then it resets. Ready? Level 1 is layup. Oh my gosh, it went out. Okay, we get it again. I missed again! Okay. I gotta make this one. Yes! Okay. Level 2, you got MIDI. First try, let's go. Level 3. Rethrow. One more. From downtown. Curry. Bang! Okay. Now, I got 3 points. Yeah, that looks so good. Ready? Ooh, yikes! 2 more, because I hit the roof. Oh my gosh. 1 more. It could end here. Who knows? The journey is no good. Hey guys, welcome to another one. This time, where I left off. I'm gonna try and do it again. Here we go. First try! Alright. Moving it on over. Right here. Here it attempts. Miss. Eesh! Yikes! The goal is to make it to that corner over there. Here we go. No! Alright. So that's minus a point for me. I only have but so many. We start off here now. No. Alright. Going over here. Boom! Now we got corner, guys. This might be the hardest one yet. First try.